Thorsten.
Couch.
Couch. Yes, you're on the couch, aren't you? Thorsten, what does a pig say? What does a cow say? What does a dog say? What does a cat say? What does a sheep say? What does a monkey say? What does a frog say? Ribbit. Who's this? Who's that? Dada. Who am I?
Mama.
Who are you?
Daddy.
Thorsten.
No.
Is that the dog? Can you say hi to the dog?
I do.
Hi, dog. Oh, are you blowing the dog kisses? What a nice boy. Thorsten, do you go to school and see your friends? Is that your friend Abby?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about Max?
Max.
Can you say Michelle?
Michelle.
How about Zach?
Zach.
And Ella?
Ella.
Sophia?
Freya.
Freya. And what about your favorite? What about Britt?
Britt.
Yeah, it is. We love Britt. Can you say I love you?
Ella.
Thorsten, what's in your cup?
No, this is a pup.
What's in your cup?
No.
What's inside of it? What do you drink out of it?
It's a
Is it? What is it? What do you drink? Do you drink Wawa?
Yeah.
What is it? Are you blowing kisses at me? You done?
Joke.
Can you say bye-bye?
That's a joke.
Can you say bye-bye to Mama?
Mama.
Who are you?
It's a
Hey, Thorsten. Thorsten, one more.
Look
Hey.
at Mama. She got one more for you.
Who are you?
Daddy.
Thorsten. Can I get a high five?
Yeah.
Can I get some knucks? Ha! Can you give Daddy knucks? Oh, what does a lion say? What does a tiger say? What does a bear say? What does a bear say? Yeah, there you go. What does
Yeah.
which one you want to do?
Dada.
Yeah? Can you tell him, what's this?
The mama.
Remote.
Dear.
What's this? Oh, thank you. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
You're 18 months old, buddy. Yeah. Love you.